Welcome to our channel. If you want to stay ahead in the ever-changing world of cryptocurrency, you're in the right place. Today, we're exploring a phenomenon shaking the financial world, the 2025 Bitcoin bull run. Why is everyone suddenly buying Bitcoin again? What's fueling this surge, and what does it mean for you as an investor? Stick around as we uncover the truth behind the hype and explore the future of crypto. What's driving the 2025 Bitcoin bull run? Bitcoin's price movements have always been dramatic, and 2025 is shaping up to be one of its most remarkable years. Here's what's behind this explosive bull run. 1. Institutional adoption hits new highs. One of the key factors is the unprecedented influx of institutional money. Big names like BlackRock, Fidelity, and tech giants like Apple and Google have heavily invested in Bitcoin. BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF approval in late 2024 opened the door for institutional investors who previously hesitated due to regulatory uncertainties. This wave of institutional adoption has legitimized Bitcoin as an asset class, reducing perceived risks and attracting even more investment. As more institutions enter the market, demand is skyrocketing, driving prices higher. 2. The post-halving supply shock. Bitcoin's 2024 halving was another critical factor. For those unfamiliar, halving cuts Bitcoin's mining rewards in half, reducing the number of new coins entering the market. This built-in scarcity mechanism historically triggers price surges, and 2025 is no exception. The reduced supply, coupled with increasing demand, creates a supply-demand imbalance, pushing Bitcoin's price to record highs. While we've seen this pattern before, the scale of the 2025 bull run is unprecedented due to broader adoption and a more mature market. Why are retail investors flocking back? It's not just institutions fueling this rally. Retail investors are also pouring back into the market. Here's why. 1. Fear of missing out. Bitcoin's new all-time highs are creating a wave of FOMO. Social media is buzzing with success stories, and headlines about Bitcoin's meteoric rise are driving people to invest, especially those who missed out on previous bull runs. 2. Bitcoin as digital gold. The narrative of Bitcoin as digital gold has gained widespread acceptance. In a time of economic uncertainty and inflation fears, Bitcoin is seen as a hedge against traditional financial systems. Its finite supply makes it a compelling store of value, much like gold but more accessible and practical in the digital age. How 2025 stands out from past bull runs. While Bitcoin's fundamentals remain consistent, the 2025 bull run is unique. Here's how. 1. Clearer regulations. Unlike previous cycles plagued by regulatory uncertainty, 2025 has seen significant progress in crypto regulations globally. Clear guidelines on crypto trading, taxation, and institutional involvement have boosted investor confidence. Everyday integration Bitcoin is no longer just a speculative asset. In 2025, companies like Tesla, Amazon, and Starbucks accept Bitcoin as payment. It's also being used for remittances and salaries, making it an integral part of daily life. 3. Technological maturity. The Bitcoin Lightning Network, designed for faster and cheaper transactions, has reached maturity in 2025. This solves Bitcoin's scalability issues, making it a practical payment method and boosting its adoption. What should you do during this bull run? If you're wondering how to navigate this bull run, here are some tips. 1. Avoid emotional decisions. The excitement is contagious, but FOMO-driven decisions can lead to losses. Have a clear investment strategy and avoid chasing short-term gains. 2. Diversify your portfolio. While Bitcoin is the star of this bull run, other cryptocurrencies like Ethereum and Solana are also performing well. Diversifying can help you spread risk and capture broader market opportunities. 3. Think long-term. Bitcoin's price history shows cycles of boom and bust. While the current rally is exciting, a long-term perspective is essential. Consider dollar-cost averaging, DCA, to reduce the impact of short-term volatility. Potential risks to keep in mind. No investment is risk-free, and Bitcoin is no exception. Here are some potential risks. 1. Regulatory changes. Despite improved regulations, sudden changes in certain regions could impact the market. Stay informed about the regulatory landscape. 2. Volatility. Bitcoin's dramatic price swings can be nerve-wracking. Be prepared for corrections and avoid panic selling during dips. 3. Security concerns. As crypto adoption grows, so do the risks of hacks and scams. Use secure wallets and platforms, and never share your private keys. The road ahead for Bitcoin. The 2025 bull run is just one chapter in Bitcoin's ongoing story. As institutional and retail adoption grow, Bitcoin is solidifying its place in the global financial system. Technological advancements like the Lightning Network, increasing use cases, and the evolution of blockchain technology are paving the way for Bitcoin's continued growth. While no one can predict the future with certainty, the outlook remains promising. So, why is everyone buying Bitcoin again? The 2025 bull run is driven by a perfect storm of institutional investment, supply constraints, and mainstream acceptance. Whether you're an experienced investor or just starting, this is a moment to watch closely. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, the key to success in crypto is staying informed and making decisions based on solid research. Until next time, happy investing.